I'm going to tell you everything you need to know if your crush likes you back. Maybe. But see, here's the thing. I know you don't want to get rejected, so these signs are, if she does all of these, chances are she has a crush on you too, bro. Let's hop into this. 1, the speed of response. This one's crucial. See, if you text her, how fast does she respond back? If you call her, how fast does she call back? If you talk to her, how motivated is she to talking to you back? The speed of her response tells you everything. See, when somebody likes you, doesn't matter how busy they are, it might happen here or there that they might have a delayed response, but for the most part, they're going to be on the lookout. When you like somebody, you're checking your phone 24/7, and they'll respond back fast. 2, you have a growth mindset. I would say the majority of men cruise through life, right? Without purpose, without meaning, without knowing what they're doing. But if you're the type of dude that's constantly growing, right? You're constantly learning, you're researching, you're growing yourself, you're investing in yourself, your chances of being liked by other women have drastically increased because of the value you're adding onto yourself. This is why I preach this so much. I want you to learn more, read more, put more into your grooming, put more into your style, put more into your fitness. Invest here and don't drop your energy focusing everywhere else. Make yourself that priority. Matter of fact, when you're doing all that research, all that reading, you should also be looking good. Bro, I'm gonna be honest with you. You're on the computer, you're reading all day, you're on your tablet. Put on some blue lights. Now, every time somebody peeps at you, you're gonna look good, bro. Your visual IQ just went out the roof, plus you're gonna be protecting your eyes. See, this is what I'm saying, boys. You have to start investing in yourself. You have to start looking better for yourself. These right here are Jade Black's, our blue light collection, and I'm telling you, it's one of those power moves that are subtle, right? They're low key. You're in class. You're in public transportation. You pull out those JBs, you throw them on, you pick up your tablet, and then you start reading. You start minding your business. You look like a high status dude. Like you're just fully invested in yourself. And when girls peep that, like, yo, that dude's on a growth trajectory. Yo, unstoppable. Think about it. How many other men are doing the same thing? That just makes you more appealing. Matter of fact, I'm going to hook it up for you guys. You don't even have to buy the blue lights. I'm going to give them to you for free. For the next 24 hours only, we're going to do a BOGO sale. That means you buy one, you get one. Some of our best-selling sunglasses these last 2 months have been our Clarks. Just look at how clean these look. It's like a modern Clubmaster. It's minimal. It's lightweight. These are our blue light version. They come in sunglass. These for summer, bro. This is why they're our bestseller. This is why they're our bestseller. So if you buy our pair of Clarks, which I'm going to have them linked down below, you're not only going to look good outside, we're going to gift you a pair of blue light glasses. Bro, this is only for 24 hours, which means it sucks for everybody else that doesn't take advantage of this offer because it's never going to happen again. This is not a BOGO like this, bro. This is insane. If you guys want to check it out, I'm going to have it linked down below. 3, they respond to your story. See, women, it's hard for them to make the first move, to make the first message, to contact you first. So what they'll do is something easy. Anytime you post a story, they'll respond to them. Don't take that lightly. See, this is her making effort. This is her making that first step of trying to contact you. If she's doing this, it's probably because your crush likes you back. 4, effort and appearance. This one's a good one. See, especially in times that she shouldn't look good. Like if she's at work or on a date, obviously she's going to look good. However, if you also meet her up in the gym, meet her up in class, maybe you guys FaceTime each other, and she always looks put together, right? Her hair's nicely in a bun or it's nicely done. Maybe she has makeup on. The girls that put makeup on in the gym, like, you know, like they're coming here to impress somebody and not to actually train. So peep that. Peep her appearance. How does she look every time you contact her or you're in front of her? Even in situations she should not have to look good. If she does, she has a crush on you. 5, full sentences. This one's a key one too. See, these are subtle, bro, but you got to pick up on these, right? You got to learn how to read the room around women. If you're texting this girl and she's saying, yeah, okay, it was fun, not bad, how about you? That's boring, right? She's giving you these one-worded responses because she's not putting effort into that conversation. She has no interest in talking to you. However, and by the way, happens in person as well. You're having a conversation with her and she's giving you like these, that was good. How about you? She's not trying to talk to you, bro. She doesn't even care how your weekend was. The difference is a girl that gives you a full conversation. Like, oh man, I had so much fun. I spent time with XYZ. Then I went. See, the difference is a girl that's invested will try to make a conversation. That's a girl that likes you. 6, this one's even more subtle and specific, but people around you mess with you about being together. Very specific, but it usually happens in a friend group or in an office setting or in a classroom setting, if you guys like each other, like you like your crush and your crush likes you back, people around you are gonna notice. Like it's blatantly obvious, and usually what people do by default is they start messing with you, like, oh, you two would look good together. Oh, why don't you guys just start dating? When they start negging you on like that, it's like, yo, everybody in the room can tell except both of you that you guys like each other. That's it for you, boy. See you next time.